In this video, we will show you how to enable and use automatic dubbing on YouTube channels. These features are eligible for a few YouTube channels. So let's see if your channel is eligible or not. To enable these features, you can just click settings and select the upload defaults here and select advanced settings. Okay, if your channel is eligible for automatic dubbing, okay, you can enable this feature via click this button. What is automatic dubbing? Okay, automatic dubbing will dubbing your YouTube video into another language from your main language. Okay, so if you have Chinese language, your video can dubbing into the English language like that. To enable this feature, just click enable. Okay, automatic dubbing translate your audio track into different language. So you can see there. Allow automatic dubbing, manually review. Okay, review dubs in experimental language only. After that, you can click save. And this is my main language is English. Okay, you can click save here. And there is language features here. Okay, you can see there. If you click here on your video, you can click add language if you want. Okay, for example, you can see in here for another language. For example, you select Japanese or etc. You can input your Japanese language for title and description also. You can add manual subtitles. Okay, you can upload your subtitle files with timing or without timing. Okay, and after that you can click save. After all settings is done, you can just click update button here. And that's all how to enable and create auto dubbing for your YouTube video. Thanks for watching.